I'll be right behind you the whole time. Set, go.
We made our way slowly from Williamsport to Shepherdstown, slow enough that I could take the time to imagine riding horseback down this towpath at sunrise, ahead of the heat on a hot summer day in the mid-1850s, traveling to a water-powered grain mill to buy flour to make bread. This path, canal, and Potomac River system are what connected these communities as they expanded west over time. The restored relics from that time are nestled along the path with locks for canal boats, barns for coal, and a mill powered by a water wheel for grain. I start to wonder if life was better back then than it is now for people that found a sense of place here.
You're so strong. You're so mighty. You're so powerful. I love you so much. What do you think of pizza while biking?
Best trail snack we've had. It is so yummy. River only likes cheese, so he's not enjoying it, but I think it's divine.
I don't know if democracy is harder now than it used to be or not. Some people watch the news and say that in past times things were simple, that the world was better before social media and cable news. In my dreams, those people's ideas are true. Slow travel on foot or bicycle seems to wake me up to the world. We find ourselves at a Confederate memorial, a burial ground, where the bodies of some of the men who died fighting to divide the country and keep slavery have been laid to rest. Some think the victors of the war get to decide how the history is written and what stories are told. Reading the names on the gravestones plated on this memorial, I'm not sure if that is true. I hope my son finds a way to help keep the light of democracy lit for another generation without bloodshed.
You want me to spin you, River? Mama, spin us.
Okay, good idea.
River, hold tight.
Okay, hold tight. Is this too much or is this fun? Fun, okay. I think River likes to go fast.
River, do you like to go? Oh, gosh. Oh, man. Oh, no. Hold tight.
Yep, keep holding tight until it stops. Or you say stop.
Should we go faster, River?
No,
Should we go slower?
no.
Should Mama keep going?
Except there's a big puddle over here. What are you gonna do?
Just hit mile 70. You know what mile 70 means? If we do 7 miles an hour for 10 hours, we'll be at mile 0. And we have approximately 2 days to do that.
I think this is our campsite.